Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. So I have the microphone in the vehicle with me, and then in a little bit I'm going to place it on the outside of the vehicle so you can hear the Procharger a little bit better, because it's actually really quiet. It doesn't have a loud blow-off valve, and so it's actually very subtle. You almost wouldn't know that it had a Procharger on it just by the sound. You can hear a slight whistle, but it almost sounds like an intake. And so just kind of everyday driving, it's really quiet. See there, it did the little blow off and you actually probably can't hear it. So you get all the power gains, but you don't get the noises. So it could be a good thing or a bad thing depending on what you want. Here in a second I'm going to get on it just a little bit, so I can hear that whistle a little bit as we slow down, and then here at idle it is dead quiet. This is just flickering in camera, not in person. So in the beginning that wasn't full throttle, and a couple seconds in I put it to the floor for just a few seconds there. It definitely has some get up and go. It's really fun to drive. Okay, so now I'm going to put the microphone on the outside of the vehicle. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Here on the fender, overall, that fender flare looks good. That graphic is nice and clean. A-pillar looks good. Typical little rock impacts on the side mirror, but it's very minimal. You got the steps down here. They don't match the factory paint, but they're close. So you probably can see that in camera. Overall, that door looks good. I do have a chip right there on the edge of the hinge. You have a gash in the plastic here and a couple rock impacts. That bedside looks good. Looking at the tires. I don't see any curb rash. Got the vinyl cover. All right, looking at the front, let's start with the reflector. That looks good. Little rock impacts every once in a while. It's very minimal though. Got one here on the top side, a couple small ones. You can see the Procharger intercooler there, that looks awesome. Got the front facing camera. A couple scuffs here and there on this front bumper. A couple chips there on the hook. Otherwise though, it looks good. All right, and the coolest thing about this Jeep is this awesome Procharger. Ties into the engine bay really well. That powder coated black finish. It looks awesome. All right, here on this flare, that looks good. Overall nice and clean. The graphic looks awesome. All of that looks nice. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar looks nice and clean. That door looks good, as well as that one. Got a small chip right there. The rest of that bedside looks nice. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Got the Low Pro vinyl bed cover. Then here on the back side, that taillight looks good. A couple scratches on the plastic here. A couple scuffs there. Then looking at the bumper itself, that looks good. That side looks nice. Got your factory intake here. And then a bunch of paperwork, it looks like. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it smells brand new in here. That panel looks nice. Got the all-weather mats, front and rear. That bolster looks amazing. This one as well, very clean. Got the orange stitching, it looks good. Here on the steering wheel, that looks nice. Here on the very edge, you do have a couple scratches, but those buttons look good. All of that looks nice. Upper side of the dash is clean. That screen looks good. All of this looks amazing. All the stitching looks cool. Here on the front right door panel, looks absolutely perfect. The mats look nice. That bolster looks amazing. I don't see any scuffs or scratches there. And the rest of the seat itself looks good. Got the orange contrast stitching everywhere. It looks really nice. Glove box looks good. All of that's clean. Upper side of the dash looks really nice. Here on the back right door panel, got a small scuff there, but otherwise it looks good. Got the all-weather mats. That seat back looks nice. Got a little stain of some sort here, as well as there and there. The rest of that seat looks good. See a couple stains here. They could just be little scuffs. Back of the console looks nice. Here on the back left door panel, looks good. Seat back is nice and clean. A couple little spots here and there, but otherwise, that seat looks nice.